Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a chicken recipe with soaked and ground peppercorns, and here is my spicy chicken in black pepper sauce. Let's quickly start with the ingredients. We will need 2 green chillies, 4 garlic cloves, half thinly sliced onion, 2 red chillies, few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon peppercorns, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. This is homemade ginger garlic paste. I will share the link of the same in the description box below. A handful of coriander leaves, 60 ml thick curd, 1 roughly chopped onion, salt as per taste, 3 tablespoons oil, warm water, 4 chicken leg pieces, 300 grams. You can also use chicken pieces with bone about 400 grams instead of the leg pieces. Would also need a slurry of 1 teaspoon flour diluted with 3 tablespoons of water. Soak peppercorns in warm water for 15 minutes. In a chutney jar, add onion, coriander leaves and a little water. Grind to fine. The ground paste is ready. Keep this aside. Add the soaked peppercorns and little water. Grind it to coarse. Now add curd, ginger garlic paste, green chillies and grind. Ground curd, pepper, chili mixture is ready. Into a mixing bowl, add the chicken pieces, pour the curd, pepper, chili mixture, salt to taste, and mix well to coat the chicken pieces with the marinade. Marinate for minimum 30 minutes. Heat oil. Once hot, add the crushed garlic and red chillies. Fry till the garlic turns brown. The garlic has turned brown. Now add onion, curry leaves and fry well till the onions change to light brown. Once the onions turn light brown, add the chicken pieces. Reserve the marinade for later use. Fry for 1 minute on medium flame. Now turn the pieces to the other side and fry for 1 minute. Once the pieces are fried on both the sides, add the onion coriander paste. Mix well to coat the chicken pieces. Once mixed well, add the reserved marinade and mix well. Add a little salt and little water and mix well. Cover and cook on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Remember to give a stir in between. After 15 minutes, the chicken is soft, breaks easily and perfectly cooked. Gravy is of thin consistency. To thicken this, add the slurry. Mix immediately or else you will have a mini pancake in your gravy. You can see the gravy turning thick. Mix well. Cover and simmer on low flame for 2 minutes. We cook chicken in black pepper sauce. Very good to serve with parota, ghee rice and pulao. You may also click here to watch my recipe of black pepper chicken gravy in 10 minutes. Or click here to watch how to make and store ginger garlic paste. Also, click here to subscribe to my channel. See you soon with another video.